Hi guys, I'm going to be telling you what there is at Time Zone fidget related and what I have from Time Zone. First up, my favorite stressful dog. Listen to the sound. Okay, so next there were poppets, mini poppets, and big poppets. There were snappers, marble meshes, stress balls, splat balls. My sister had one. There were also Orbeez stress balls, dinosaur ones, and others. There were dinosaurs. When you squeeze them, they poop. So like this plastic thing covered around with the brown liquid. And also there were also squishmallows. And squishmallows, they're not really fidgets, but they kind of are. Sorry, I'm playing with my snapper. They were in a vending machine. We tried to get it, but we didn't get one. There were also mini poppets. They were so cool, and there were way more. Just one thing. Have you liked and subscribed? Can you follow us too? Please do all of that. That will really help our channel. Thank you. And I really recommend these fidgets. 100 out of 10. Almost fell asleep. 7 out of 10. Because sometimes it doesn't snap and you have to. This one's nice. Probably 8 out of 10. I would have chosen a better shape. And there's a hard side, this side, and a good side. Marble mesh. I think 7.5. Just because when I bought it, there were some loose strings on it, and it was bended, but pretty good anyway. So I'll see you guys next time. Please like and subscribe. And for my friend's channel, search up Piper Cabral, not Piper Racal, Piper Cabral, Cabrale. So that will really help her. I didn't know it could do that. It will really help her channel, and she is a really good person. And I'm about to go out to the trampoline, so I'll see you next time. Bye!